Just 1 minute, Sanju, 1 minute. Mr. Kargili, can I ask you a question? I don't think much about. I don't think much about cricket. I don't watch much cricket. But you watch cricket?
Yes, I do.
You do. Okay. So, who do you support in an India-Pakistan match? India or Pakistan?
I support the person who plays very well.
Oh God!
I support specific.
I can't believe it. We have people in this country who are no. Which passport do you carry? Which passport do you carry? Which passport do you carry?
I carry Indian passport.
You carry Indian passport, but you won't support the Indian team. Amazing. So you support the Pakistani team.
Game is not a war.
No. Did I tell you a game is war? Why are you? No. Do you have a complex here? No. 1 second. Do you have a complex here? Did I say a game is war? I didn't say a game is war. I said which country do you support between India and Pakistan? You're trying to give me a philosophical answer about it. No, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. This is the exact problem. This is the exact problem. See, Mr. Kargili, then in that case, in case you are so neutral, don't mind what I'm about to tell you, okay? Not you. I believe Pakistani cheerleaders, you know, Mr. Kargili, they are so shameless. They are such hypocrites. Idhar ke bhi khate hain, udhar ke bhi khate hain. They want the benefits of India. In their heart, they want to support Pakistan. And sometimes it shows. You know, I feel these opportunistic elements, you should pick them up. They should go to Pakistan because it is my country, you see. My country, Mr. Kargili, has no place for traitors.
Not your country.
My country.
Arnab.
My country.
It's
Your country
our
too.
country.
Yeah, it's my
It's
country.
our
Yes, it
country.
is my country.
It's
No,
our
it is my
country. You
country.
cannot say my
It is my
country.
country.
It's
What do you
our
mean it's
country.
not my country? It's my country.
Can I come in?
It is my country.
country.
1 minute, please. Producer,
You
I'm
are
talking to
not-
him.
no, you are
I want
not
him on the
India.
screen.
You are not
1
India.
minute. It's my country. It's my country. It is my country. It is my country.
No, it's our. It's our.
It is
country.
my country.
You can't say it's.
No.
your country,
1
Arnab.
second.
It's
1
our
second.
country.
1 second, Mr. Kargili. I'm saying it's my country, and though I'm not interested in cricket, in an India-Pakistan encounter, I'll support India. But you're saying it's your country, but you won't support the country. You only want the convenience of the country, a passport,
I
a
do
job,
support, I
a
do
political
support, but
position.
I support.
A political position. Tell me, Mr. Kargili, you are a member of the Kargil Democratic Alliance. You have ever held an elected political position? Have you ever held an elected political position?
No.
No. Okay. Have you ever fought an election?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever fought an election?
Yes.
If you were to win an election, would you get a salary?
Yes.
And the Indian taxpayer would pay your salary, for your kind information.
Definitely.
So you'll take
Yes,
the
everybody
salary,
is
but you
taxpayer.
won't support the Indian team.
There are
You'll take
thousands
the
of
salary
people
from the
across
Indian
Kashmir
taxpayer, but you
also,
won't
they
support
also-
the Indian team.
They are also the
You're
taxpayers
incredible.
of-
You're incredible, Mr. Kargili. I haven't met someone like you. Anyway, let me tell you, don't mind. I'll tell you. These Pakistani cheerleaders, they are traitors. They're sitting on our soil, using our democracy, using our freedom, using our money, using our resources, and then go
Okay,
and
now
side with
tell
the
me,
enemy.
what you
I
call
say I
those
don't have
who
an
are-
inch of place for them
who
in
are
this country. They
using-
should go
who
to
are-
Pakistan. I
Who
say
are
so.
using bigotry
There's no bigotry. I'm
against
saying those who don't
Mohammed Shami.
support the country should go to
how do you-
Pakistan.
how-
There's no bigotry
what
here.
you say
I'm
about
saying
those who are
there's no
using
space in this
bigotry,
country.
who are-
Pakistani cheerleaders should go to Pakistan because my country has no place or tolerance for terrorists. And Pakistan sends terrorists to this country. And those who celebrate Pakistan in cricket or for their terrorism or whatever else should go.
One can
Go live there. Go live there.
One can appreciate a good player. He can be from
no,
Pakistan,
it's not
from
about
India,
a player.
from South Africa,
It's not about a
from
player,
West
Mr.
Indies.
Shalla. It's not about a player. You're trying to make a point. You're trying to tell the country that, listen here, we'll sit here, we'll take advantage of everything in India, right? And then we'll spit on the country's rights. The
No.
country's democracy will misuse it. Now we are being told, Mr. Shalla, that those who are identified as anti-nationals will not get jobs, license or passports. I think it's very good. I think it's excellent. There has to be some fear.